The overall goal of the following experiment is to train letter-color associations by reading in color and to measure the effects of training in the brain. This is achieved by first testing participants in the behavioral lab and in the MRI scanner before they start the training. The next step involves having the participants read specially prepared colored books for several weeks outside of the lab. Finally, the participants repeat the same experiment in the behavioral lab and in the MRI scanner in order to measure any training effects of reading in color. Results show the overall effect of reading in color on reaction times and brain function using a letter-color Stroop task.
The idea for this method came about because when I give talks or presentations, people often come up to me and say, "Can I learn synesthesia?" And this whole experiment is directed at solving that issue.
The main advantages of reading in color compared to computer-based training programs are that any text can be colored. Participants can choose whatever book they'd like to read, and they can also read for as long as they would like.
This method will help us understand to what degree synesthesia can be learned, and this is important to answer questions that are key in the field, such as the neural basis of visual learning and visual memory.
After screening for any covariate traits in study participants, assess their motivation for taking part. Inform them that they must be willing to read outside the lab for the study, but it may be